How's it going, y'all? So, don't mind the chickens there. So I'm at the shop here today, and I wanted to hit on a couple things that people have been asking about or whatnot, or might be wondering about. So it's end of year for me for mowers. Getting the snow blowers in and getting repairs done on those. But this is my end of the year stash. This is stuff for next year. All back behind the chicken pen there, all the way down there. All of this is over 70 lawnmowers. There's some of my riders. I got a couple more coming in. There's 2 more sitting over there. Another push mower. Starting to get snow machines in. Getting 4-wheelers in. We're just getting stuff in. All this is going to be covered up eventually here. But people ask me all the time, why don't you fix everything before you sell it? Here's the answer. It's that a lot of times a mower comes in, it looks like this, and it'll have everything but this little cable here. And it costs me $20-$30 sometimes to order a single cable or a single part, when I could sell it to somebody who will buy it for $20-$30 and put that part in themselves. People are always looking for a good deal as long as they can fix it. If it's easy fix, they don't mind fixing it themselves. Like this one here. This one's probably a runner. It just needs a carburetor put on it. This one is probably the same, just needs a carburetor. I mean, a lot of these are easy fixes. They need cable, they need carburetor, whatever. And a lot of these ones that, like at the end of the year, beginning of the year, that I have left over from last year, a lot of them sometimes I give them away to people. I get 12-year-old, 15-year-old kids come through here with their parents, and they're starting to get into the small engine hobby. And same as what happened when I was their age. I give them stuff just like people gave to me when I was their age. And that's kind of what I like doing. That's what really people like. I sell a lot of stuff too. I buy a lot of stuff, repair it, and sell it. I do that on a constant basis, but I just can't keep up. It's just me. So anything I can sell without repairing, I sell, because as you can see, I'll show you my snowblower stash from last year. This is how far behind I am right now. This is just from last year. I got 3 left here, back here from last year, that were going to get fixed, but ended up parting them out. I already took 2 of them out of here. Well, 3 of them. There was 3 more back here that have recently sold or have been moved to the front for repair. This one, I have the deck for it. I have the key for it. Everything for that one. That one, I think I have everything for it as well. So those 2 will get fixed. This one will also get fixed. It needs a new motor. I'll show you guys under the hood. Can't open that hood. Let's give you a look under this hood. So this one runs, just needs a starter. That one will get fixed and be back in operation for next year. Whether I sell it or I use it here, I don't know yet. I got 3 mowers in the shop currently being repaired, and a 4th by the door waiting to go in. I got the shop's snow machine here. This is going to be my little runaround rig for, this is a Jag long track with wide ski kit 440 motor. I've done a video on that before, so I'm not going to go into detail. We got 2 snow machines up front that are waiting to be repaired. 2 4-wheelers. One I have not done a video on. One I have done a video on. And so, those two, and then this one. This is the shop's. I want to repair this one to use here. I was told it ran and it did mow when it stopped running. The engine's still good, just needs the spark parts fixed on it. This one, I do want to use this one as a yard, like a tug, pull stuff around the yard. I got the personal equipment over here, which belongs to the property. I gave this to my dad. Some of these are my dad's, some of them are mine. We use them for just property maintenance around here. There was a leaf blower, but I sold that one already. I think I posted pictures. Yeah, I posted pictures to my Facebook on this one. It's a Montgomery Ward, like that mower that you saw back there. This one is a reel mower, has the reels. That one's in decent shape, just needs a little cleanup, and a little maintenance. It's one of my brush machines here, just sitting. Got that back from a job. Someone was renting it. I got this one here. Pulled this out of somebody's backyard. They didn't even know it was there. I bought that from them. Just for decoration purposes. We got, this is a Lawn Boy utility, which I have shown on the channel before. You guys want to go over and subscribe to my other channel, I would really appreciate it. My business channel is Diamond Choppers. And if you want to see more work truck related repairs and talk and vehicle related stuff, go to Diamond Motors up there on YouTube. Instagram, I got a new Diamond Choppers Instagram now. This one here, this tiller here, that lawn cart there, that plate compactor, that edger, and this old Toro Power Greens mower are all up for sale. You can see them on my website, or if they're not on my website, they're for sale on my local Facebook listings for my company. This one is still in the process of being painted. The snow and the rain that we've had lately has slowed me on that. You'll see that on Diamond Motors. We got a leaf blower here that was repaired. Still got to work out some kinks on that. A couple mowers that are still being parted or repaired or whatever. That four-wheeler there is not mine. That's a customer's. Snowblower here is a repair job. The ones I said needed to still go to the back. There's another push mower. These ones still have to get pulled around to the back. Another rider here, similar to that Montgomery Ward, but this one's going to be like a shop project. At one point they started turning it into a go-kart, but they never finished. That's the other wheeler. Still gotta source some parts for that one. Another mower. This is back up behind that chicken pen. So anyway, y'all see anything you like, anything that you may want to buy, leave me a comment down below if you're in the area, local subscriber in the area or whatnot. We can get together. I'm always bartering, trading, selling stuff, you know, buying stuff. If you got anything laying around, you're in the local area of Alaska here, you know, go on the website, hit contact, give me a call. We're here in Wasilla, Alaska, and I would love your business, whether it's a repair, whether I'm buying your stuff or selling you something. I'm here. Diamond Choppers. This is my shop. And you know, we will soon, I'm hoping to soon have this other engine up on the channel, also up on the website, probably up on, it's already up on the Facebook, but I'm hoping to post it up to the website soon and get it up on a couple other forums and stuff in the near future. I just stepped into the office here, so if you guys like what I post, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It helps. I'm not doing this for the views. I'm doing this because I like motors and I like working on them. So you all take care and have a good day. Check it.